Complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles by Taylor and Gabriel. Let's start with angles. A straight angle is 180 degrees. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. A, a right angle is 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees, but but less than 180 degrees. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are two angles that share a common side. Examples are adjacent ang. These are examples of an adjacent angles because they share these common side. These are not an example of adjacent angle because they are either two separate angles or just don't match up. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. They can either be adjacent angles or not. These are examples of supplementary angles because they are 180 degrees, which is the straight line. This is an example of adjacent angle because these two angles share this common side. These are not examples of adjacent supplementary angles because they do not add up to 180 degrees, like this one. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Again, they can be either adjacent angles or not. These are examples of complementary angles because they have this right angle, and it's 40 degrees and 50 degrees, which add up to 90 degrees. This is an example of an adjacent angle as well, because it still shows that it shares this common side. Examples of complementary, these are not examples of complementary angles because this is 180 degrees and this is less than 90 degrees, which is an acute angle. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are two angles that sit across from one another. To be a vertical angle, two lines must cross. Examples, these are examples because 105 degrees is straight across from 105 degrees. Again.
Last call for the baby shower class party. Gentlemen, we're not going to start till we have at least 10 gentlemen.
Again, these two degrees are straight across from each other. Thank you.